Yeah, there's all kinds of trip hazards around here. Oh, do we have an interpreter on this?
Yeah, I'm interpreter.
Oh, I see. Okay, I did not know that. Let me, I didn't remember that. Okay, this is People of the State of Michigan versus Dot Yang. I hope I'm saying that at least halfway correctly. Docket number 20-569FH. And we have an interpreter today. Sir, would you state your name, please?
My name is Aung Changma.
Can you spell it for me?
Yeah, A-U-N-G, Aung, C-H-A-N-G-M-A-A-H.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And have you interpreted in court before?
Yes.
You have, like how many times?
More 3 or 5 times.
Okay. Do you have maybe a card from the State Court Administrative Office?
No.
No, that's okay if you don't. What's the language that you're interpreting?
That in Qing, her language.
Qing?
We language, yeah.
Okay. Qing? I never heard of that.
C-H-I-N, one of the dialects in Burma.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. I did not know that. I'm sorry.
No problem.
And are you from Burma originally?
Yes, with the same tribe.
Oh, great. So you've talked to her and you have no problems communicating with her, correct?
Yes.
And how long have you been here?
There's 15 years.
Okay, so you're obviously very, very proficient in the English language as well.
Properly, not professionally, but properly.
Probably better than most American-born people. Okay, I find that you meet the qualifications for interpreting today, and if you would please, sir, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will fully, accurately, and completely translate these proceedings from English to Chin and Chin to English?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
And now for Ms. Yang, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Nihina hika nasimok mihi amhan mi pakha simlaitin dyanakamo. Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Yang, you have the right to a lawyer and you are represented by Mr. Abbott.
Nangma tein shini ka ntan konak nol nangay ronga nihina amapahi ntan misi.
And Mr. Abbott tells me this is a plea to an added count 2.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that you'll waive reading of count 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you?
Amahi hal misi nangma cha khanmo amani bia simpia poka anti mi simo ti o ti piapmo.
Ms. Allen, would you read count 2?
State of Michigan, County of Ingham.
Hika Ingham County sungan umisima. Yes.
In the name of the people of the state of Michigan.
Hika Michigan sungan umisima. Yes.
The prosecuting attorney for this county appears before the court and informs the court.
So hika koda hindi nang mai amu hika anto apiak misi.
That on or about August 5th, 2020 at 2415 Grisdale Avenue.
So no umnak address kasima do simika. Yeah, there's apartment address.
In the city of Lansing, Ingham County.
Yeah, Hika County Sungamosi. They move in the new address from that apartment.
Sure, I'm just reading where the events happened.
Yeah. She doesn't even have to answer at this point. We just need the prosecutor to read it and you to interpret, please.
That in an added count 2, the defendant committed the offense of brandishing a firearm in public.
So, amani kanmo ma akong yel dekha nang masa an simpiak mi hika an piak mi si.
That she did knowingly brandish a firearm in public, contrary to MCL 750.234E.
You could say contrary to state law.
Contrary to state law.
Kaka hika state law Wrong Kanikan anti Piakmissimo.
Okay. This is a misdemeanor.
Kakatu misdemeanor Timikatu K Liin and Tsutsuimi Asima.
And the punishment is up to 90 days in jail and or $100, and she has to forfeit the weapon, or give up the weapon.
So repeat again that one.
Yep, that's the penalty. So the penalty is up to 90 days in jail and or $100, and she has to, it's mandatory that she gives up the weapon, which is a firearm.
Veka metal kanapya tisia junmo kaka tonganata la ya na what month or day
90 days.
90 days timisu khatum kha thonga sak lai suna phaisa kha thong kha choi lai ki mi kha si
Just that she understands that. That's the maximum punishment.
chu ati sia sun khaban tu kha pimu kha chulo na ka si how do we name it? Okay.
Ms. Yang, you're being charged here with a crime known as brandishing a firearm in public.
So nangma kha pein sorry
Brandishing, showing or displaying.
okay nangma I metal na pya mi metal kha anma kha ching na ching mi si mo
Okay. It can be punished by up to 90 days in jail.
Soon na ching lo sia chun te na ching sia chun 90 day ne ti lai chu nangma ne kan ka ching lo ti mi kan sin to yeah
Okay.
so she said she just show
She what?
she just show the can
Okay, yeah, we'll get to that. Thank you. Have you had enough time to talk about this case with your lawyer?
oh chu kong kha pe ta in na lawyer hi tha te na sim ma yes
Do you understand the charge?
chu a kong khan na thei ma a chas dan kha is that a ti lai ti mi kha so ke nan chas ma ti mi khan hal pa lai chu mo
Yes?
yeah
Do you have any questions about what we're doing today?
so ni hina zaida an to lai ti mi khan na fyang mo kha ave kha ti ki ka an su choi mi kha na fyang mo na ta lai ti mi kha so not detailedly understand just repeat again
I'm sorry?
not detailedly understand repeat again
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you have any questions about what we're doing today? What do you need me to repeat again?
yeah ni hina khan ti hi ka khan ko da na ra mi hi zaida an na to lai ti mi khan na fyang mo yes
So you don't have any questions, is that right?
so halak na dumi umri ma
si atu mo atu hiban to kin atu patkan tam patarahan tam mo he di selo ma tharian kam de na me lo tumi dekha
okay so she understand that she is not guilty and
Well, I thought we were, okay. I thought we were taking a guilty plea, and I just need to understand whether you understand everything that's going on.
okay so nang man na fyang ko kan simi yes
Good? Okay. I'm told you want to plead guilty, is that correct?
nang ma kha apik tin na ro ma no
No?
no guilty
Okay, then I can't take the plea.
Can I ask her a couple of questions, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead.
Is it correct that you will admit that you did show the gun to the children?
Haksya kha na pya long na pya amhan ma mi thau kha
ma thare kapia bin ha cha adang da kapia mi an ma shum shum kapia bin ha sa
yes she said show the gun but not intend to that.
Okay, I think I know the problem. I'm told you want to admit that you showed the gun. Is that what you want to do?
Chu apya long kapya ti mi khan sim du mi sima
si an ma shum shum kha na zai ka khoi na tha jong ka ti min ha jong sa lawe hong kan na zai kan trai ti hin on na san na hong kan pe ti na la se mo ma kha ka du min ha ma kha ro ka je
Yeah, she said she doesn't want to shoot them, not intend to shoot them, just show the gun.
I understand. This is what we call a guilty plea.
Mhm.
So I just need to know that she is wanting to plead guilty. In other words, admit to what they're saying she did, which I will get to the facts of that in 1 minute.
Mhm.
And it is just showing a gun.
Mhm.
But I first need to just know, does she want to admit to this?
Oh, chú rong khan an ma kha kapya lo na ti rong khan chú appeal khan na to than na du ma.
Okay,
She does want to appeal.
she what?
Does want to appeal.
She wants to appeal.
Doesn't want to appeal.
Does
Okay.
not want to appeal?
You can either
Yeah,
plead.
she wants to stop that case. That she means that she wants to stop the case.
Stop the felony case.
Yeah, felony case.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
If you admit to the misdemeanor, the
Oh,
felony case will stop.
okay. Yeah.
Does she want to, do you want to admit to the misdemeanor in order to make the felony case stop?
Yeah. Chú felony thì appeal mu kha na yak ter na du mo. Chú be kha ka to ti lai lo tin na ro na du mo. Yes, she wants to stop the case.
Okay. If I accept your plea, it means you won't have a trial on the felony case. You understand that?
Ni hina na ti ban tuk sia chu na ti ma case kha set ti lai lo. I be sang angol sang lai. Su na thi fiam mo simika. Yes.
Okay. And you'll give up the rights that go along with a trial.
So chu ati du me chu an ma kha set din ti ya sui o ka khan ka du ti lo ka give up mo ka short sang tin na ro mo. Yeah, she wants to do that peacefully, to stop that one, because of the other side also there's not to make a harm, so she wants to stop that.
Okay. The rights that go along with a trial are listed on this form. Did you sign this form?
So kiki or the sign at home is more. Yeah.
Did you go over it with your lawyer through the interpreter?
To amasina simika interpreter simisima. Yes.
So you understand what's on this form, right?
So kiki nothing fiang ti. Yes.
Okay. Now, also, if you admit to the misdemeanor today, you can't come back later and change your mind. You understand that?
So hikai on the t-shirt next kan zaiman be mi kan ti lai lo mo ra zong how ti lo tina kan simo. Yes.
You also can't come back later on and say, oh, somebody made me do this or someone threatened me to make me do this. Do you understand that?
Highly anman hiti akan to as strong kan kachina loi mo kora ka king than lai ti ban tu kan na to kho ti lai lo kha na ti sia chu. Yes, this peacefully stop.
Okay.
Stop.
And is there a plea agreement, Ms. Allen?
Yes, Your Honor. If she admits to the misdemeanor of the showing the gun, we will dismiss the felony, which is the pointing with the gun. Can you explain that to her?
So ti do me to anma kha ka ching lo ke pya in ka pya mi si ti na simika ka kha na fyang mo ti. Yes.
We also agree she won't serve jail time, but she will probably have a probation. She will have a probation sentence. Can you explain that too?
Probation center te mi su anmani til khat khat to nak mo ke ma center kha ur halo tina khat se su na fyang ma. Yes.
But no jail is part of our agreement.
So to jail jong kha lo kha no. Yeah.
Okay. So Ms. Yang, do you agree with all this?
So as I become ha sama. Yes.
Okay. Has anyone promised you anything else in order to get you to admit to this misdemeanor?
To repeat again, please.
Has anyone promised you anything else in order to get you to admit that you did the misdemeanor?
So he got this misdemeanor te mi kha ato mi kha mi te kha nang man in a take fiam go ti kha sung kha zim han be na lo. No.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you to get you to do this?
so adang pole nang makha khati to thati bantupin antimi ansik mi ma adaman anti termi umma no
Okay, and you've already told me that you did show the gun, so you're obviously admitting it, but tell me more about that. On August 5 of last year, you had a gun, is that right?
zetika akos thani nga mo si kha mikal na pya mi kha
Serot. Ani siya ka teacher ka tayo.
she doesn't remember the day
Okay, you told me before that you showed the gun, right?
mikal kha ka pya ti na sin slow mo ti
So,
oh yeah
Yes?
yes
And were there other people around when you showed the gun?
so mi pon hai khan mikal khan na pya ti
silo.
tin mi pon hai khan mikal ka pya na ti mo ti
Telat.
no
Were there children around?
people ti mi kang haksia ko jong kha ti mi si
An makakapya minasa.
oh yes children yes
Children around? Were you
Yeah.
outside?
that kha in lengamo
In liam.
khoi ka cha in ka pong mo
Si kama sa kat in bakan si ani ka kat in pin like ito like so.
okay
Kanan sa amin.
yeah from the door her yeah apartment door
I see. Okay, and did this happen at 2415 Risdale in Lansing, Ingham County?
makha apartment na na simi
Oh.
ka mo si yes
Yes? Has the court complied with MCR 6.302, Ms. Allen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Abbott?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you aware of any promises, threats, or inducements other than those already placed on the record, Ms. Allen?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Abbott?
No.
The court finds the plea is understandingly and voluntarily made without undue influence, threats, or promises of leniency. It is accurate. It's supported by the testimony. The plea is accepted. Sentencing is, let me check. Can I use the 4:15 time on that May 3rd date? Great, thank you. Monday, May 3rd at 4:15. I hope our interpreter is available then.
yes
Good, thank you. So can you tell Ms. Yang, please, that her sentencing is May 3rd at 4:15, and she'll need to be back here then. If you could tell her that, please.
sorry
Tell her that her sentencing is May 3rd at 4:15. She'll need to be back here then.
may third may thani thumu pali lem ni thinga khan hi kan pya thana wo
And the probation department has to interview her before that sentencing date. They're gonna need your help for sure.
okay
So maybe Mr. Abbott can give you the contact information, and you can just reach out to them directly and arrange for that at a time that works for you and Ms. Yang.
okay khani khan ra lai na chini pa jong ra lai chu probation and timi khan kha pe nan si na
Okay?
Yes.
Your bond is continued and you are all set.
so so ti sam hin ta sumo
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
kha ha kan de do man